welcome back to my channel. But if you're new here, my name is Tasha. Today is a continuation from the last hat video that was made with sublimation. But this time I'm going to use heat transfer paper and regular ink. So stay tuned. First, I'm going to start off in Silhouette Studio. If you want to see a more in-depth video on the positioning of the image and sizing, click on the video link at the top. This video is more so me printing the image with the Inkjet printer using regular ink onto transfer paper. Okay, so here you see me selecting the paper type, which I'm going to use the light fabric iron-on transfer because I get asked this question quite often. If I could use dark transfer paper on a light garment and vice versa. So I'm going to show you the mix up just to see how it comes out. Okay, this is dark transfer paper that I'm using. The front and the back, and now I'm just gonna put it in my printer. And yes, this is regular ink that's in this printer. For this to be some Walmart paper, the colors came out pretty good. And this hat right here is the Make Market brand that came from Hobby Lobby. It's some pretty good material. The hat is 80% polyester and 20% cotton. It could have been either or cotton or polyester. Because heat transfer paper doesn't discriminate on the material. And this is just my lint roller and my parchment paper, the image, a weeding tool, and my measuring tape. With dark garment transfer paper, you have to peel the paper from the backing. Versus with light or white transfer paper, you have to mirror the image and lay the paper face down on the garment, then press it. So here I'm just pressing the hat, giving it a pre-press to get the moisture out. And now I'm laying the image and putting the parchment paper on top. I have the heat press set to 357 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 seconds. That seems a bit high, but I did get this paper from Walmart and I had it for a couple years. So maybe they upgraded the temps, I don't know. But yeah, it turned out horrible. Only because the parchment paper was wrinkled from the start and I didn't notice. That looks terrible. But as you can see, the colors turned out good. It just looks badly damaged. Okay, so I tried to redo it and use a new piece of parchment paper. Let's see how this works. Lord have mercy. Oh, Lord, it wrinkled again. Yeah, so that didn't work. But as you can see, the colors are really good. So it did work. It was just the parchment paper. Thank you so much for watching this video. And don't forget to support by liking and subscribing to my channel. Also, feel free to ask questions. See you in the next video.